Hey guys, it's Johnny Vans out here in Carlisle, PA at Chrysler Nationals. And I just found a van that I don't see the owner, but I seen him driving around yesterday. And it stood out to me as one of the coolest things I've seen this weekend. So I wanted to just go around and film it. We're going to call this little session Freebird, and you'll see why in a minute. But let's get a good look at this old Dodge Tradesman. That isn't cool, man. I don't know what is. That is one cool tradesman running out of Maryland. Hope you've seen the tag. Says Freebird. That says so much about this van, man. I really like it. Again, I seen it yesterday driving through the show, and I was quite intrigued. So I'm glad to see it set up over here today, so I could have took a peek and showed you guys this cool van. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you hit the bell so you're notified when I find more cool stuff like this. I'll see y'all next time on Songs, Cars, and Guitars.